Hello Lynchburg, my name is Dana Horne. I work for the City of Lynchburg's Community Development Department, Code Compliance Property Maintenance Division. Today I'm here on site at a dwelling to do a public education series about water damage and how to prevent water damage in your home on the interior and exterior of a dwelling. Hello, Dana, City of Lynchburg, here to do your inspection. First off, walking through the front door, I didn't notice anything out of the ordinary. Matter of fact, everything was nice and clean and neat and kind of cozy, and I was quite impressed. But once I entered into the bathroom where all the plumbing fixtures are, I realized that there were some other issues. In this bathroom, we have a washing machine hookup. We have a actual sink and vanity. We have a toilet, a water heater, a bathtub, and a shower. So these particular water fixtures are mainly what you're going to find in most habitable dwellings. So this is a great place to start. Plus, it also has severe water damage. Now let's take a moment to look at some of the details of testing water and plumbing systems. Turn the water on. This unit is vacant, so there is no water here. And you look under the sink, okay? And you would look at the plumbing pipes and see if there's any leaks. As you can tell, under this particular sink, it's kind of a lot of corrosion. You see the corrosive deposits on that pipe there. That is not good. That's an indicator that water has been dripping down under the sink for a while, okay? So that is a violation under the city code, property maintenance. It is a public nuisance and a hazard to this structure. The next plumbing fixture that I'm going to mention to you is the toilet. Everyone should have a toilet in their dwelling unit. None of this unit has been cleaned or staged. But when I do an inspection, I check to see if the toilet is loose. As you can tell, the toilet is moving all around. That is an actual hazard, meaning the seal is not secure and water can be leaking underneath the house. Okay, make sure that you test it side to side, not up and down. The next fixture in this particular unit, and I have to move this out. Is the water heater. This particular water heater is a code violation. The electrical Romex is not in conduit, but mainly the water cutoffs are there. But if you look to the right there, you can see a large hole that has developed and deteriorated the subfloor because of water damage, which was never reported from the occupant. This is years of damage, and it's a severe case of deterioration. This water heater weighs quite a bit has a lot of weight on it, and it could have gone right through the floor. All right, so as you can tell, that hole in the floor is a mess. So we need to make what we're doing this education series for is because we want the public to understand that water damage is very serious, and anytime you find a leak or condensation, you need to find out where it's coming from. All right. Well, as you can look at this tub, well, this particular tub has, the person put duct tape in the tub, actually to hide the fact that there were cracks and that you can see the earth, some of the wood come from the subfloor coming up. So actually they stopped using the tub because it was an inoperable plumbing fixture at this point in time. Because I noticed this tub, what I did is I actually stepped in the tub to see if it was sturdy and sound, which it wasn't, which led me to an area back here which was covered with a green cloth, so I could not actually see the wall. And as you can see, the deterioration is so bad that the wood is just like paper, right? Okay. And most of this water damage, water infiltration is coming from the roof, but it was never reported. Infiltrating down behind the walls, the window sills, ceiling, and as you can see here, this whole back of the house, moved all the way down to the subfloor. Okay, all the way over to the corner there. This is a breeding ground for termites and all type of wood festering pest. As you can see, the property is severely damaged and the owner is going to have to utilize several thousands of dollars of resources to make these repairs and to come into compliance with the city. Right now, this property is condemned. No one could live here because it's not habitable. You have to have a bathroom to be functional. All right. Oh, and before I forget, I want to show you this large hole here under this rug. Now look at that, still moisture under there. So this was not reported by the tenant, and the owner was unaware of these violations and this severe damage. Thank you for watching our first public education series on water damage of the City of Lynchburg, Property Maintenance Department. At any point in time you have any property maintenance issues, please call 856-CITY and report those issues to the city. One inspector will come out to help you and assess the situation for you. Again, my name is Dana Horne with Community Development, Codes Compliance, Property Maintenance. I'm the Rental Inspection Administrator for the City of Lynchburg. Thank you for watching. Give me a call at 455-3922 if you have any rental problems or issues. Thank you.